Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve question number 704. The question name is binary search. The question is given an array of integer nums which is sorted in ascending order and an target target. Write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return minus 1. You must write an algorithm with O of log n runtime complexity. First, we have see the two example are given. First example is we have given one nums array and given target names an integer. And second is given also same nums array and given different target is 2. First of all, we have see the visual representation of this question. What is the binary search? First of all, we have binary search. We have needed to unsorted array, and starting from one integer left and one integer right, and one is middle. Left is start from zeroth index and right is start from last index, and middle is the uh, middle value of left and right, means middle equals to left plus right, left plus right divided by 2, means left plus right divided by 2. This is a middle value, it means m's value. And then we have check. First of all, we have start from L in zeroth index and right from uh, last index, and middle is left plus right by 2. In this part we have C, L is 0 and right is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 5 plus 0 by 2 is 2%. Then we have used its integer part. Okay, then this is 5 by 2 means 2.5. Then we have used 2. Then m is from 2, and our first target is 9. Then 9 is greater than 3. Then we have moved L to m plus 1th index, and then second time middle is L plus R divided by 2, means L is 0, 1, 2, 3, means L is 3 and R is also 5. Then we have 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have moved to m in 4 index and check m is equals to 9. Yes. Then we have returned this value is matched to 9. Then we have returned its index. M is also 4. Then we have returned value 4. So we have checked. Yes. Our answer is 4. Why you are not an iterating complete array? Means first of all we have create I and then iterate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and check if it is equals to 9. Then we have returned 9, because it is a we have iterated n time, and this portion we have first of all check L and R last, and then check L is moved to this. It means this question is completed in only 2 steps, and it time we have checked n time, loop runs n time, so it is a very faster method. And then second target is 2. Then start from 0, L is 0 and m is middle. Then we have checked target is 2. Then L is means 3. 3 is greater than 2. Then we have changed rth index to m minus 1. Mth index minus 1, and it is 2 minus 1 is 1. And we have checked r is equals to, means its index is equals to 2, 0 is equals to 2, no. Then m is L plus r divided by 2, means 0 plus 1 by 2 is 0 point something. Then m is 0. M is also 0, L is 0, and then we have checked minus 1 is equals to 2, no. Means minus 1 is less than 2. Then we have moved L is part of R. What we do? You can see m is from this 0th index. Then check minus 1 is equals to 2, no. Then minus 1 is less than 2. Then we have moved L to m plus 1th index. Okay, so now L is also 1, R is also 1, and then middle is L plus R by 2, means 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Then m is also 1. We have checked 0 is equals to no. Then also 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2 and 0 is less than middle value. So we have convert to L in right hand side. Sorry, we have convert L into right hand side because 0 is less than 2. So right hand side is move m plus 1th index. Then we have checked it is a L. L is greater than R because L's value is 0, 1 and 2 and R's value is 1 and L is greater than R, then this function is over. Means we are not any value minus 2 is exist because L is greater than R. L is left hand side, R is right hand side. So L is always less than for R and this condition is false, then we have written false means minus 1 means it is not exist index to target 2 in place of error. So now we are going to this question solve in C++. First of all, we have created two integer left and right. So we have not last index value, we have only last index number, and then we have create a while loop. And our condition is left is always less than right or equals to. And create integer m for middle value is always run whenever we start while loop, then it is a change, and its value is integer of L plus R by 2. L plus R by 2. Then second we have check if nums of m is equals to target, then we have written m means m is index, otherwise else if nums of m is greater than target, then we have r equals to, we have value change r equals to m minus 1, otherwise else condition last L equals to m plus 1 because else if 2 m plus 1, and if nums is great means middle term is greater than target, then m is converted to m minus 1. And then last we have written in while loop outside of while loop value of m is written value of m is minus 1. During this part we have written value of m is exists, and we have written value of m, otherwise we have written last minus 1 means this value is not exist. So first of all we have checked our all examples are true or not. So this is wrong because nums of m is greater than target. Yes. So our examples are true. Now we are check overall edge cases and more test cases. So overall edge cases and test cases are passed. So this question is very simple and very beginner friendly question. This question, its solution is very simple of this question. You can see this question, similar question, solve this question and improve your C++ problem solving skills. And so thank you for watching my YouTube video.